I get a lot of questions on my YouTube channel about the Finnish language. For example, questions about puhekieli, or how to say a certain word in Finnish, a certain phrase in Finnish. Does this Finnish phrase sound natural? Today I would like to review and go through an app that I think could be very useful for your Finnish language studies. So the HiNative app is a free app that you can download both on Apple devices and Android devices, as well as use it on your desktop computer. On the HiNative app, you can for free ask questions about the Finnish language from Finnish native speakers. And this is where the HiNative app, I think, is really useful, because you can go on into the app and for free ask questions from Finnish native speakers and get feedback for your Finnish language questions. And actually, the HiNative app supports 113 languages, including Finnish. So even if you're studying other languages, you can use this app to ask questions about those languages as well. So as I said, registering is pretty simple. You just download the app for free, and then you can register using your email address. And once you're in the app, you can see this home screen where there are templates for all the different types of questions you can ask. So let's ask a question together. So let's ask, how do you say this? So if I'm unsure about a word or a phrase and I want to know how to say this in Finnish, I would just write that into this box here. So let's, for example, say, how do you say I have to in Finnish? Next, and post. Okay, so now we'll just wait to see if someone answers us, and in the meantime we can ask more questions. So let's ask, what does this mean? So one word in Finnish that I think there is a bit of difficulty in directly translating into English, because I don't think there's an exact translatable word, is the word jaksaa. So let's just ask the Finns, what does jaksaa mean, and see if we get a good explanation in English. So post. Okay, let's ask another question. What's the difference between, this is a question I get a lot as well. What's the difference between vai and thigh? Because both can be translated to or, but you use them in slightly different situations. So let's ask that question. Post. Okay. Then we have, please show me an example sentence with. So here we can write a word, phrase, or sentence that we want someone to write an example sentence using. So for example, if we want to know how to use the word sisu in the correct way, we could ask this, please show me an example sentence with sisu. Okay, post. In the free version, you can also ask about pronunciation. So for example, here, please show me how to pronounce, and then you can write any word or phrase, sentence in Finnish, and you can have a native speaker reply and pronounce that word for you. So for example, the double vowels can be difficult in Finnish, so if you want someone to show you how to pronounce the difference between tuuli, which means wind, versus tuli, which means fire, or the past tense of to come, so came, we can just post this and see if someone will answer us. And we can also ask how your own pronunciation is. So if you want to practice your pronunciation and have a native speaker answer you and say if you're pronouncing a word correctly or not, you can test it out here. Remember my video where I was going over difficult words to pronounce in Finnish? One of them was yöpöytä. So we can just ask how my pronunciation of that word is. So you just record yourself speaking. Yöpöytä. And also, if you want, you can type what you said into here. So, sorry, my keyboard's set on English right now. And then we can post that and see what people think of my pronunciation. So actually you can upgrade your account into the premium one for free for 7 days, which is what I did. So then we can access these 2 extra question templates. So the first one is, does this sound natural? So we can write here a sentence. Maybe you're practicing your writing and you're unsure about a sentence and you want feedback about whether this is a sentence that would sound natural in Finnish. You can just type that here and get someone to give you feedback on it. So I will on purpose write this incorrect, so hopefully someone can help us out. So minä menen kaupassa. So it should be minä menen kauppaan, but we'll see if someone will correct that for us. So the foreign language diary bit, I think, works similar to does this sound natural, but you can just write a lot more, like a whole paragraph. Okay, so I just wrote an example paragraph. I made a few small mistakes, so let's see if it gets corrected. All right, it's been a couple hours since I left the questions on the HiNative app, so let's just check. Actually, all my questions were answered except for one, by this one very kind lady who went through and answered a bunch of them. So as you can see from my pronunciation of yöpöytä, she gives a lot of good tips. She even gives an audio of herself saying the word, so let's listen to that.
Yöpöytä.
Nice. She also gives a lot of links that could be helpful. She corrected my sentence correctly, so she said it's not minä menen kaupassa, but minä menen kauppaan. Like I told you guys it is, you go into the store, not inside the store. So she even explained why, which is great. And then for my diary, she actually gave a lot of details, so she corrected it, and not only corrected it, but gave a bunch of information about what she corrected and why she's correcting those bits. And I purposefully mixed in puhekieli and kirjakieli, so it sounds a bit more awkward, and she does go into a lot of detail explaining how you can improve your writing and what was awkward about what I wrote. So I think she did a fantastic job answering my questions. One of my questions was asking the pronunciation difference between tuuli and tuli, so I did get a 21-second audio clip back.
Wind, tuuli, tuuli, tuuli. Fire, tuli, tuli, tuli. So, tuuli, tuli, tuuli, tuli.
Very helpful, right? You can also browse questions left by other people, because one thing about this app is that all the questions you ask are public. So there's no DM function in this app, which I think, especially as a female, is a big bonus, because I know a lot of apps that even I have tested in the past, like language apps, people don't necessarily use them for language learning, especially if there are chat functions or DM functions. As a female, you get a lot of DMs that you might not necessarily want, but this app, HiNative, does not have any DM function, so you're not going to get any weird messages from people. Thank you, HiNative, for sponsoring this video. I hope all of you will find this app helpful for your Finnish studies, and make sure to download it. I put some links in the description box down below. Just click on those to download the app, and I'll see you in my next video. Moikka!